Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with QuickNode, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with QuickNode, start by visiting the QuickNode website. Click on the Get Started button located at the top right corner of the home page. Choose the option to sign up for a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements provided. Once you've filled in your email and password, click on the Sign Up button. Next, check your email for a verification message from QuickNode. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the QuickNode website. Now, you'll need to fill out additional information, including your name and company details. Complete all required fields on the registration form. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree to the terms, check the box to acknowledge your agreement. Click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. After your account is created, you will be taken to your QuickNode dashboard. From here, you can explore various services and features offered by QuickNode. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available resources. Congratulations, you are now registered with QuickNode and ready to get started. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.